Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Hey, hey, Bonjour. Welcome to Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I'm here today with Mamengwa, the butterfly. How's it going? Oh, I'm pretty good. How are you? Oh, not too bad. Just been sitting around on the piano. Yeah, I've noticed you there. So today, Mamengwa. Let's see, what can we say about Mamengwa? Um, well, in the Anishinaabe way, Mamengwa is very sacred to us. She represents transformation. Mamengwa goes from a caterpillar into a butterfly. They also represent the time when things start to come alive again. In the spring, when Mamengwa comes back, we know, hey, you know what? It's time to start over. The leaves come back and it's springtime. But it's like the new year, so I thought it might be a good time to talk a little bit about that. Did you make a resolution? Did you think you were going to make some changes? We're a week in. Have you been to the gym every morning? Hey, you know. So anyway, Mimengwa, butterfly, and that's our word for today. And you've been watching Boju Nana Boju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Kigawaba min, Minowa, hoa. Yeah. Amazing Mimengwa, how sweet the sound.